Hi, just want to connect in today and channel a little message or blessing, whatever comes through for me and everyone watching this video. We're raining down white, brilliant white diamond light to fill your space, to clear your energy field, to clear the room you're sitting in, to clear all the space around you. You can just close your eyes, take a deep breath, breathe it in. Shift you instantly out of the negative into the positive, as you would say. And move your identity, shift your identity. From the part of you that feels small and sometimes powerless to the part of you that knows it is a sovereign being. That means from the human to the being, as you are both. Many blessings. And have a beautiful, beautiful day.